You're watching Vegan Cooking with Chimp.
Okay, and who else?
Oh, that's right. You're watching Vegan Cooking with Hillary.
And
And that's right, me, Bernadette, and Chimp. Chimp, where are you? Shooting time.
he's right there. He's waiting for something to fall on the floor.
Chimp, come.
Today we are going to make some vegan egg rolls, and we will be making
Yes.
artichoke, steamed artichoke. As you can see, our steamer is nice and ready
It's
and boiling.
boiling.
And we just popped them in here,
Oh,
and we are going to cook them for till they're done. How about that, Bernadette?
how long?
Yeah, till they're done.
That's like how long?
Till they're done, that's an exact measurement here.
Al dente artichokes.
Yeah, everything's al dente to you, right?
Yes.
While the artichokes are cooking, let's go ahead and get started on our filling for the egg roll. Chopped red cabbage,
Wow.
seitan,
Seitan.
organic garlic, organic spinach,
Organic.
and
spinach.
some chopped organic carrot.
Everything organic.
So we will get our garlic ready.
Okay. Walk on fire.
Yep, wok on fire. Again, our trusty olive oil. Not too much.
Okay.
All right, and we are getting that heated up.
Okay.
So we'll start with our garlic.
Okay.
Okay, we are going to...
You're going to sizzle the garlic?
We are going to sizzle the garlic. Exactly, good thinking.
What is supposed to mean? Hello, garlic. Are you going to be sizzled?
Quickly, we're going to add our carrots because we want to get them have plenty of time to tenderize.
Yummy garlic and carrots. Yum, yum.
Now, as always, I like to start in with my herbs and spices quickly with the vegetables at the onset. So we have ginger,
Okay.
and we have what's called Chinese five spice. It's almost licorice
So it's
flavor.
a combination of 5 spices. That's why they call it 5 spice.
I believe that would be it. It is very strong, so you really want to use it sparingly. Black pepper
Black pepper, yes. It
and
smells really nice.
salt. And that's it for there. We are going to cook our red cabbage in a separate pan. And why is that? Simply because we want it to be more crispy, crunchy. The carrots and the seitan we really want more broken down and soft. When those are cooked, we're going to mix them up in the food processor. And the cabbage is going to be not going to be put into the food processor. It's going to be added to the egg rolls, so we have a very crunchy element to it.
And the red cabbage will still be red, right?
Well, we hope so, unless you give it a hair dye.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That cabbage may be dyed.
So we add our spinach leaves here, and
Yummy spinach. I love spinach.
we're gonna wilt them. We do too. We use them on almost every show.
Yep. And if you eat a lot of spinach, you're going to be a Popeye the Sailor Man.
That's right.
Woohoo!
And last but not least, we are going to add our seitan chicken.
Yep. Cruelty free.
Okay, so that's coming along nicely. Oil is nice and warm,
Okay.
and we simply add our red cabbage mixture. We're
What's
just
that?
going to add a little lemon juice
Lemon juice. Wow.
and
Good idea.
a little bit of soy sauce.
Organic soy sauce.
Yes, thank you.
And it's color brown. Organic vegan soy sauce.
Well, Bernadette, soy sauce is vegan because it's made from soybeans. Duh.
Oh, it's vegan already. Duh. That looks yummy. That looks yummy.
Yeah, you know, I'd pay her to say that, so. We're
Yeah.
just going to cover that
Okay.
and let it stew. This will be quick cooked in about 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Now we're going to combine our stuffing ingredients together. Here we have the seitan, spinach, garlic carrot mixture, to which we add our red cabbage mixture.
Oh, so you mix it all together.
Yeah, we mix it up. Next step is we are going to put Miss Bernadette in charge.
Here it goes. I can show you the world, shining, simmering, splendid.
This is the cooking show.
Tell me, Prince,
Not
now
the-
when did... Huh?
This is a cooking show, not your karaoke.
I'm not at the vegan karaoke group.
No.
Oh, that's right. I'm at the vegan cooking with Hillary.
Good thinking.
Sorry, love.
You're supposed to
I've-
make egg rolls
I've
now.
been to so many groups right now. The vegan spring rolls, it's a little thicker than the normal spring rolls. I grew up in Philippines where we usually use the thin spring roll made of egg whites, but this is made of wheat flour. Position it like this. There's water here, and you just tap it around on the sides of the spring roll wrapper, and then you also take about 2 spoons, and then what you do is
How long?
You got me on that.
Karma.
Well, about 2 spoons long. How about that? Okay, and then what you do is roll it like this. Okay, and then, oops, this thing don't want to go inside. Okay, and make sure there's a little bit of water at the end so to seal it. So that's just how simple it is. You do another one. You can also make this like, if you want to make it like an empanada style. And so you just wrap it like this. So you've just made an empanada.
There we go.
Good. So this is also has a lot of purpose. This is also a vegan wonton. But the vegan wonton, you just need to make it position like this. The wonton. If you want to put it for soup or just fry it like this. These are the collections of the wrapped spring rolls. And the next step we're gonna do is to fry it. This pan is already on a high heat, so all we have to do is just drop the spring rolls. Are you excited? Here you go. 1, 2, 3. This you can put about 4, right?
Yeah. So this is our poor man's deep fryer.
How long are we gonna fry it? That I can remember.
Till it's golden brown
There's golden brown, that's right.
on both sides.
Okay, this is the second batch of spring roll. It's fried on a high heat. See how it fries so fast. Yay, look how delicious it is. I'm so excited.
please do enjoy our choke and roll.
Choke and roll.
Choke
Nice
and roll.
name.
We have steamed artichoke. We have these beautiful vegan egg rolls cooked by Master Chef Bernadette. We have our egg
Thank you,
roll
sweetheart.
dipping sauce.
Yum.
We have our dipping sauce for our artichoke, and we
Yay.
have our cucumber slices as a palate cleanser.
Wow.
Enjoy and eat cruelty-free.
Yay! Thank you so much, sweetheart. It's super delicious.
See y'all next time.
Time to eat. Jump! Time to eat.